Before buying a mini crock pot, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but real buyers are definitely talking about it. Product number 1, Crockpot 28-ounce Mini Electric Heated Lunch Box. First up is the Crockpot 28-ounce Mini Electric Heated Lunch Box. What caught my eye was its portable design and practical functionality, priced at $52.99. If you want a reliable way to enjoy hot home-cooked meals on the go, this is worth a serious look. This mini crock pot holds over 3.5 cups, making it ideal for soups, salads, or leftovers. It heats to a satisfying 195 degrees F within just 2 hours, so your lunch will be hot and ready when you are. Plus, it's thermal insulated, keeping food hot for 2 hours or cold for up to 3 hours. This matters because when you're on the go, the last thing you want is a lukewarm meal. It also features a tight seal lid with a steam release valve, which means no more messes in your bag. With a solid rating of 4.4 stars from over 1,200 reviews, it's a popular choice among users. Now, some people complained about it not supporting 12V power sources. Here's the thing though, if you're mainly using it at work or home, the standard 110V outlet is usually available, so it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're a busy professional looking to enjoy meals on the go. Skip this one if you need something for larger meals. For the price, you're getting a practical solution to enjoying hot meals anywhere. Now, if the price of the crockpot bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Elite Gourmet MSD 250 XS Electric Slow Cooker. Next is the Elite Gourmet MSD 250 XS Electric Slow Cooker, which is incredibly budget-friendly at just $14.99. The sleek stainless steel design caught my attention right away. If you want a no-fuss, affordable mini cooker, this one's definitely worth a look. This model has a 1.5 quart capacity, making it perfect for small meals or sides. It offers adjustable settings between low, high, and keep warm, so you can set it and forget it while tackling your busy schedule. The dishwasher-safe glass lid and removable stoneware pot make cleanup a breeze, which is crucial for anyone who hates spending time washing dishes after a long day. With a stellar rating of 4.6 stars from nearly 39,000 reviews, it's clear that many people trust this cooker. However, some users mentioned the controls could be a bit confusing at first. Honestly, after a few uses, it becomes intuitive, and for the price, it's hard to find a better deal. This is perfect for you if you're on a tight budget but still want a reliable slow cooker. Skip this one if you need advanced features or larger capacity. For the value, it's hard to beat this option. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for personal meals. Product number 3, Crockpot 20 Oz Portable Electric Food Warmer. The next product is the Crockpot 20 Oz Portable Electric Food Warmer, priced at $39.99. The adorable blush pink color really caught my eye. If you want something stylish yet functional for work or school, this is worth checking out. This mini crock pot is perfect for warming up your leftover meals with its 20-ounce capacity. It has a seal and store lid to prevent spills while you're on the go, which is such a thoughtful feature for transportation. The detachable cord is another plus, making it easy to store and declutter. Users have rated it 4.6 stars from over 13,000 reviews, which speaks to its reliability. However, a few people pointed out it takes a bit longer to heat up compared to larger models. Here's the thing, if you're not in a rush and can plan ahead for your meal, this really shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you prioritize style and practicality in your lunch box. Skip this if you need something that cooks food from scratch. For the price, it offers good value for a portable solution. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact, check out the next one. Product number 4, Betty Crocker 0.7 Quart Mini Slow Cooker. Coming up next is the Betty Crocker 0.7 Quart Mini Slow Cooker, retailing at just $15.69. Its bright red color and compact design really stood out to me. If you need a mini cooker that doesn't take up much space, this is a fantastic option. This mini slow cooker is perfect for small kitchens and has a removable stoneware crock that makes cleaning super easy. You can use it for melting chocolate or keeping dips warm for game nights, which is perfect for entertaining. With a rating of 4.3 stars from over 1,200 reviews, it's a hit among users who appreciate its versatility. Some users mention that it might not be powerful enough for larger meals. Honestly, this is designed for snacks or small portions, so if you keep your expectations in check, you'll be really satisfied with its performance. This is perfect for you if you love hosting small gatherings and want a compact appliance. Skip this if you need something for larger meals. For its price, it's a great addition to any kitchen. Now, the last product mixes fun and functionality in a unique way. Product number 5, Qvin Mini Round Slow Cooker. Finally, we have the Qvin Mini Round Slow Cooker, which is priced at $24.99. The bright orange color is a fun touch. If you're looking for something that can double as a fondue pot, this could be exactly what you need. With a 0.65 quart capacity, this mini cooker is perfect for dips and small portions. It keeps food warm for hours, which is great if you're hosting a party or just want to have snacks ready. Although it doesn't have temperature control, it maintains warmth effectively, and the dishwasher-safe removable stoneware makes cleanup easy. It's rated 4.3 stars with over 400 reviews, which shows that users find it handy for small gatherings. However, some users were disappointed by the lack of temperature settings. Honestly, if you're mainly using it for dipping sauces or fondue, it might not be a deal breaker since it does its job well. This is perfect for you if you love fondue parties or need a small warmer for dips. Skip this if you need precise cooking options. For the price, it's a fun and functional option for casual entertaining. To sum it up, we've looked at a great range of mini crock pots. The Crock-Pot 28-ounce is your go-to for portability, while the Elite Gourmet MSD 250 XS is budget-friendly. The Crock-Pot 20 Oz is stylish for on-the-go meals, and the Betty Crocker offers versatility in a small size. Finally, the Qvin is a fun option for fondue lovers. No matter your need, there's a perfect mini crock pot for everyone.